This is Rager Arc 700, the best budget wireless charger with a maximum output of 15 watts. I have been using this wireless charger for quite some time. We'll break down the pros and cons of it and find out, is it worth your money? This is Mr. Square Tech. Let's get started. This is the box it comes in. Let's quickly unbox and see the contents of the box. In the box, first we have the user manual, which we don't read it anyway. Let's put that away. There is one USB A to USB Type-C cable, which is 3.3 feet in length. And the quality of the wire seems very good. It's a bit of thick and seems durable. Finally, we have the charger itself. First impression, the quality is superior. It looks like one of the premium ones. So that's all we get in the box. First, let's talk about the design and features. On the front, we have the Rager brand label. This charger has two charging coils, one at the top and one at the bottom. So what does it mean? You can charge your phone vertically like this and also horizontally like this. Isn't it cool to work while watching the Wimbledon or cricket highlights and also getting the mobile charged? Below there is this light. When the charger is connected to power source, the light would glow, and that's how you know the charger is working. Unfortunately, I got a defective product first. When we connected it to the charger, the light was not showing up. First we thought it was a charging adapter issue, but no, it was a wireless charger. The defective product was replaced by Amazon anyway, so you need to check this. Initially, as soon as you connect the charger to the power source, the color of the light will turn to blue. Once you put the phone on the charger, it will turn to green, indicating that it is charging. If you put a phone that does not support wireless charging, then the blue light starts blinking. By the way, the light is so dim that you can use this in your bedroom also. It won't show any glare and feels like there is no light at all. And also the charger is smart enough to stop the charging when the phone reaches to 100% and the charger would go to sleep mode. There is this soft rubber padding where the phone rests. So if you put the phone naked on the charger, it won't scratch the surface of the phone, and it's really good thinking. This charger is case friendly too, so the phone can be charged with the case on. It supports phone cases up to 6 mm thickness. At the back there is USB Type-C port. This is again a positive thing. Few of the wireless charger from top brands still use micro USB ports in 2022. Yuck. At the bottom, there are 4 rubber pads for the grip. These make sure the charger won't wobble when putting the phone on it and stay strong. The grip could be better, but seems pretty good. This charger gives a maximum output of 15 watts. By the way, you need to use a QI certified charging adapter in order to get the maximum juice out of it. However, if the charging adapter is not QI certified, then the phone can be still charged at 5 watts. There are only a handful of phones that support 15 watt or more wireless charging. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and other few flagship phones can take the advantage of this 15 watt output. If you own an iPhone like me, then it would charge your phone at 7.5 watts. It's still better than Apple's 5 watt adapter. The charger gives 15 watt, 10 watt, 7.5 watt and 5 watt outputs based on the phone charging capacity and the charging adapter used. Ergonomically, the charger is well designed. The viewing angle that you get when you put the phone on the charger is just perfect. As you already know, this is a mobile stand like wireless charger. So you don't have to buy an extra mobile stand for your dream desk. That saves a few bucks. This works as both wireless charger and a mobile stand. This comes in very handy when you work for long hours. You can pop your phone on the charger, then it starts charging. When you want to check the notification or cricket score, or you can unlock your phone with Face ID and do a quick check on the phone. You can do all that without having to lift the phone. Rager offering 1 year replacement warranty against the manufacturing defects for wireless charger and 6 months warranty for the cable. Okay, now let's talk some downsides of this charger. First, the charger is really light in weight. It's just 60 grams. I wish they added some weight onto the base. It's a downside only in specific scenarios. For example, if the wire is not perfect in its shape, then the charger can't keep up in its position. Practically, I find it a bit annoying sometimes. When the base is heavy, then it gives the feeling of more sturdiness and more premium. That's my opinion. What do you think of this? Let me know in the comment section below. So that's my thoughts on the Rager Arc 700. Overall, this is a good wireless charger in a budget with all the bells and whistles. If you are buying your first wireless charger, you can go for it. However, the wireless technology will evolve further in couple of years, and 20, 30, 50 watt wireless chargers will become more affordable. So if you think the charging speed is less, then you can skip this one and wait. I hope I gave you some heads up on this one. If you enjoyed watching the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video with the tech you love.